Breaking. Ripple insider leaks. Secret settlement is happening. XRP to $50,000. Anthony Welfare, senior advisor to CBDC Europe and Ripple Global Partnerships, talks about key blockchain use cases such as payments and DeFi, as well as token types in transforming the future of money. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Ripple is one of the first companies to talk about the concept of the Internet of Values. Thanks to the Internet of Values, a transaction with value, such as a payment in a foreign currency, can happen instantly, just as people have been exchanging words, images and videos on the internet for decades. And it's not just money. The Internet of Values will allow you to exchange any assets of value to anyone, including shares, votes, frequent flyer points, securities, intellectual property, music, scientific discoveries and much more. Quote, "We are in a world where you can literally tokenize anything from goods to financial assets, real estate, wine, cars, works of art and much more." Quote, "As for Ripple, cryptocurrency is embedded in our DNA. Our Ripple X business unit is focused on making it easier for developers to work with the XRP ledger, as well as on establishing partnerships with other participants in the crypto space in use cases such as NFT and CBDC, also known as tokenized resources." Quote, "XRPL was one of the first altchains created with DEX and proprietary tokenization capabilities. Ripple continues to innovate, for example, with the help of NFT, CBDC, helping businesses and developers prepare and build a world that supports cryptography. Ripple has several pilot projects for CBDC, including the Royal Monetary Authority, RMA, of Bhutan and the Republic of Palau." Quote, "Some categories you may have read about include media and entertainment rights, NFT to represent ownership, content and IP, rights to music, films and other creative opportunities. A huge industry is ripe for a breakthrough due to disintermediation and increased transparency and monetization opportunities for both creators and fans." Quote, "Another interesting example is real estate. The use of blockchain to determine the origin of title and DeFi based on real estate. Lower barriers to entry into the asset class, expanding economic opportunities for many." Quote, "Finally, there are carbon credits. Today, carbon markets have serious problems with efficiency, amid growing demand, transparency and tracking, the problem of double spending, which NFT can solve." Quote, "Provenance, authenticity assurance of products, for example, NFTs can help solve the problem of fraudulent food by tracking food, artwork, fashion and more on the blockchain." Quote, "The possibilities in this world are limitless. As I mention in my book, Commercialization of Blockchain, there is no stereotypical majority and old-school property in the blockchain community. The fact that this is a new and innovative technology that innovators, scientists, entrepreneurs like, as well as people who want a decentralized world, has led to an exciting and wonderful mix of people. The ability to see the basics of technology, which gives more control to each person, increases trust and allows for more direct relationships, fewer intermediaries, has united everyone from all spheres of life." Quote, "Anyone with access to the internet can join public blockchains and start creating solutions and applications. They can benefit from fast, cheap and secure transactions and can begin to own their own future and dreams." Quote, "The most exciting crypto trend is the development of a new payment system that will allow anyone to become part of the system and allow everyone to benefit from a complex and privileged system. As soon as we enable micropayments, we will be able to pay shares of money to creative people, authors and artists. Small amounts for one person become a worthwhile career for a novice artist." Quote, "The cryptocurrency world provides an opportunity for innovation on a scale that we have never seen before. The current lull in the markets is a great time to clean up the garbage and see how winners begin to appear. Back during the com boom, when the current winners appeared, we are at the same point in time with blockchain technology, exciting times ahead." Quote, "Bitcoin falls below $18,000, breaking the 2017 high, and sets new anti-records. For the first time in its history, BTC fell below the maximum of its previous halving cycle, and June 2022 became the worst month of June in the entire history of Bitcoin observations. This increased volatility has led to large losses for traders with excessive leverage. CoinGlass data shows that the number of liquidated traders over the weekend exceeded 160,000. At the same time, the total amount of liquidated positions over the weekend alone is more than $600 million, with the largest of them falling on BitMEX, $7.5 million, with the ETH/USD trading pair. The Fear and Greed Index stayed at 6 for 2 days. Only once in its history has it been lower. In August 2019, it dropped to 5. Glassnode reported that for the last 3 days in a row, Bitcoin was liquidated every day in the amount of $2.42 billion, and these were the largest realized losses, expressed in US dollars, in the history of Bitcoin. The reason for the fall of the crypto market was the increase in interest rates by the US Federal Reserve, and subsequently the decline in prices caused numerous crises in the crypto space, when large firms are on the verge of bankruptcy and can cause a chain reaction in the sphere. Celsius, a major crypto lender, suspended withdrawals and transfers last week, and has remained silent about further steps since then. Cryptocurrency hedge fund Three Arrows Capital, ZAS, faced insolvency after its positions were liquidated by several counterparties in the market. Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy, Bitcoin's largest institutional investor, has lost over $400 million on its BTC investments. Demand for Bitcoin from large investors is declining. American exchanges have announced the suspension of hiring for the rest of the year. Bitcoin has fallen by more than 80% 4 times in history, and a minimum of $17,622 is 74% almost in line with historical standards. The bottom of the bear market has probably not yet arrived, and considering previous cycles, a drop of more than 80% compared to the historical maximum is possible, which will lead to a price range below $14,000 for Bitcoin. Analysts note that there is not enough volume on the market yet to say with confidence about the complete capitulation of investors. Others invest money to buy BTC at such prices and make money on the bull market, which will return in the future. Much has been said about the correlation with stock markets, and this trend continues. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US dollars. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.